Welcome dear students in your English tutorial. Today I am here with a beautiful poem. Children, the poems for kids are often written to impart some good habits or morals to the kids. Zoo Manners poem is also one of those poems. Right? The poem Zoo Manners is written by Elian Matthias. As is evident from the title, the poem talks about the etiquette one should follow while visiting a zoo. The poem begins with a caution that you should be careful about what you say or do when you visit the zoo. So, children, not to make fun of the camel's hump, as the camel is proud of it. Through the poem, poet wants not to laugh much at the chimpanzee because he feels that he is equally smart as humans. Even penguins can understand whatever comments you make. Poem ends on a suggestive note saying that you should treat the animals at the zoo with respect. So don't tease them, not only in zoo but in regular routine also. If you do so, you will always be welcomed at the zoo. This is all about the poem Zoo Manners. Now we will start reciting your poem. Right? Zoo Manners. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of the noble bump. You know what is noble bump? Noble bump means a camel is having his hump, right? What is the meaning of noble hump? Noble bump means a hump that impresses everyone, right? Now continuing with the poem, don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. And the penguins strutting around the lake can understand remarks you make. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. Hope you enjoyed the poem. Here are few words whose meanings are also mentioned here. For example, hump. You know what is hump? A large round raised lump or part of an animal's body. Noble bump. Already I told you, a hump that impresses everyone. Remarks. Remarks means something that you say about somebody. Strutting, walking proudly with head up and chest out to show that you think you are important. Right? Treat, to behave in a particular way towards somebody. All right? Very nice. Hope everything is clear to you. This is all about your poem Zoo Manners. Take care. Bye. Thank you, Ajay.